Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2023 Hyundai i20 Premium. This car comes with the hybrid 1 litre petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to a very impressive 53 miles per gallon. An insurance group of 14, and this is a one owner vehicle having covered just over 17,000 miles and comes with full service history from Hyundai. This colour is called the Phantom Black and looks in good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have inside, the seats there are in really good condition. There's a armrest and 2 cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. Being the Premium, the car comes with an amazing features list. These include the heated front seats, as well as a heated steering wheel. The multimedia screen there in the centre is for your Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. Below that you have your climate controls, cruise control on the right hand side of the steering wheel, automatic headlights and wipers, and on the driver's door card your electric folding mirror and full window controls. The i20 has a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and there's also a charging port there in the centre for the rear passengers. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there with the adjustable floor, and the rear seats can be folded flat, as well as the parcel shelf is still in place. Underneath the boot floor you've also got some extra storage there, as well as your 48 volt battery. And like I mentioned, the boot floor can also be lowered as well if necessary. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, the rear parking sensors, diamond cut alloy wheels, and also a car reversing camera. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128 point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.